Magandang gabi, mga tareb, isang malakas na palakpakan!
Haters gonna hate, but I'm hotter than the game, so ha! Hello, bye-bye, everybody looking at me, but I don't mind, cause damn, straight, righteous as what? Hungry like a wolf, gonna get me some. Come on now, let's
It's really hard to build a project or events like this. Marami po ang nangyari, difficulties, but with the people around me who supported me, ako po ay naging malakas.
Come on now, let's work. Come on now, check it out. Come on now, let's work. Come on now, check it out. Come on now, let's work. Come on now, check it out. Come on now, let's work. Come on now, let's check it out.
So in behalf of Apollo Smith Productions, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat at ipagpapakuli ko ang pagsasaya sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much.
Some boys kiss me, some boys hug me. I think they're okay. If they don't give me proper credit, I just walk away. They can beg and they can plead, but they can't see the light. 'Cause the boy with the cold hard cash is always Mr. Right. 'Cause we are living in a material world, and I am a material girl. You know that we are living in a material world, and I am a material girl. Living in a material world, and I am a material girl. You know that we are living in a material world, and I am a material girl. A material, a material, a material.
Our new queen is our Miss Pangasinan. Gay Pride 2023 is Ordaneta.
Today, upon us, we strive to bring you pride, and yet our power, when combined, is a force to change the world. Our nation Yes, we compete, but the greatest feat is when we win. We win. We win as one. Mga kaibigan, ipinagmamalaki po ng Apollo Smith Productions, the reigning king and queens. Please welcome Mr. Gay Pangasinan Online 2021 and Miss Mga Taram Gay Bride 2022.
Ladies and gentlemen, our very own CEO and the director of Apollo Smith Production and Events, please welcome Sir Apollo Smith Aguilan.
Hello, universe. We are a future world. Yes, we compete, but the greatest feat is when we win as one. We win as one, unconquered. We win as one, unbound. We share a single promise. We win as one. Yes, we compete, but the greatest feat is when we win. Yes, when we win. Yes, when we win. We win. We win as
The CEO, host, and director of Apollo Smith Events Production, no other than Mr. Apollo Bugarin Aguilan.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for coming for this big events of Apollo Smith Production. And before I start the story of this pageantry, I would like to thanks Honorable Mayor Ramil Balong Ventanilla, Honorable Vice Mayor Michael Monponzal, Honorable Ronnie Palisok, Honorable Harley Paragas, Honorable Janet Perez, Honorable Andrea Cruz, Honorable Ricardo Pastor Jr., Honorable Conrado Budjao, Honorable Joel Cruz, Honorable Efren De Vera, and Honorable Richard Palizo, ABC President, Ma'am Rachel Cabernay, Tourism Officer, Mayora Jensen Viray Ventanilla, at maraming salamat po sa pag-help ng Apollo Smith Production. You know, it's really hard to build a project or events like this. Marami po ang nangyari, difficulties, but with the people around me who supported me, ako po ay naging malakas. Itataas ko ang bayan nating mga Tarem pagdating sa entertainment. Kaya lahat po tayo ay sumuporta sa ating mga talent from Mga Tarem, and not only from Mga Tarem, all over Pangasinan. I will continue to support and help the young dreamers and passionate all over Pangasinan. Hanggang ngayon is ipagpapatuloy ko, meron po akong franchise na isang male pageantry which is Mr. Asia Pacific International Pangasinan and Mr. of Universe Philippines Pangasinan. So itong dalawang po ito ay makakatulong sa ating bayan ng mga Tarem basta tayo po lahat ay magsama-sama at magtulong-tulong. So in behalf of Apollo Smith Productions, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat at ipagpapatuloy ko ang pagsasaya sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much.
To my fellow mga Taremnians, a very good evening to all. Again, it is with deep regret that our mayor will not be with us tonight due to allergic rhinitis. Sumigi na naman, pero kagabi andito siya, pero sumigi na naman kanyang allergy. Kaya nga, in behalf of our mayor, andito po ang inyong administrator. So please enjoy the event, even if our mayor is not with us. Cheers to all. Magandang gabi ulit sa inyong lahat. Of course, before I read my message, I would like to acknowledge the presence of our balikbayans who are present here. Palakpakan po natin sila. And of course, yung katatapos lang nagsalita na siyempre kung wala siya eh, hindi po mangyayari itong gabing ito. Sana every year merong ganitong pa-contest dito sa bayan natin. With this, in his person, the honor of Apollo Smith Production, our very own Mr. Apollo Bugarin Aguilan. Palakpakan po natin siya. Sa atin pong board member, Philip Cruz. Palakpakan po natin. Board member, Heidi Pacheco. Honorable Sangguniang Bayan Member, Ronnie Palisok. Ma'am Criselda Fernandez. Mayora Jensen Biray Bentenilla. Madam Rochelle Caburnay, our tourism officer. Miss Caroline Ubaldo Garlet. Maria Lourdes Nipchon Estrada Clemente. And of course, itong maganda at mabait na kaibigan ng aking nag-iisang misis. Si Mars Estrada. Ayan. Iniwan kanila. Kay Ma'am Margarit, kay Ma'am Mawe Vilorta. Hello? Ay, sir pala. sorry. Kala ko Mawe Taylor kasi yung nasa isip ko. Kay Mr. Anthony Castelio. Kay Councilor, ay, nasabi ko na. And then, okay na. Naulit lang. So, the message of our mayor, babasahin ko na lang para sa inyo. Tonight, the search for Miss Gay is conducted and organized in various neighborhoods and extended over to many nations where Filipinos migrate. This is definitely a confirmation and proof of the social acceptance of your special group, along with the combined population of LGBT communities as integral members of the society. Sa lahat ng selebrasyon ng mga bayan, hindi nawawala ang ganitong pag-contest at packaging kasama bilang highlights ng programs and activities. Festa man o hindi. Kaya utilize this Miss Gay mga Taram edition as a platform for you to develop your personality, to the more productive citizen and to be professional enough in your relationship with the people in your community. So showcase in this contest that you are capable of wearing the crown, which should indicate that there is a purpose for being a Miss Gay winner. From tonight until the relinquish your crown, prove that you are a special group. The gay community, as well beauties with a purpose. Therefore, craft your advocacies and dreams and deliver them to the community where you belong. Always bear in mind that your local government unit, headed by our beloved Mayor, the Action Man, Mayor Ramil Bintinilla, known as Balong, is open and ready to help in whatever programs, projects, and activities you may introduce and implement. Continue then to trust yourself that you can do it. Think positive. Keep on smiling because life is beautiful. Think and there is much to smile above. Good luck at mabuhay ang gay group in the LGBTQ community. At ngayon pa lang, accept our mayor's salutations and congratulations to all of the contestants. Mabuhay mga taram omism, and mabuhay kayong lahat.
Oh, magandang gabi, mga taram, isang malakas na palakpakan! Yes! And of course, I know all of us are ready, and Mga Tarem is an incredible place to be. And tonight, of these 11 contestants make their own style to impress our selection committee, who will be the gay ambassadress and the voice of Pangasinan, rather the universe with pride, respect, and dignity. Hindi na pinapatagal yan. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our 11 gorgeous candidates wearing their casual wear by Jello Pineda Creations.
I can remember planning, building my whole world around you. And I can remember hoping that you and I could make it on through. But something went wrong. We loved each other, we just couldn't get along. Take a good look at me, I'm in misery, can't you see?
Coronation, aspiring to be the luckiest candidate tonight. Good evening, folks. I am Queen Ron Fernandez, hailing all the way from the majestic province of Pangasinan, municipality of Aguilar. I am 21, a graduate of Information Communication Technology at the country's first Polytechnic U, or popularly known as Polytechnic University of the Philippines. Now, continuing my baccalaureate degree at University of Luzon, I am a humble and proud scholar ng bayan, believing in a simple saying that we should live our life to the fullest, believing that today will always be better than yesterday and the best is yet to come. Thank you and good evening.
Couldn't make it on through, but something went wrong. We loved each other, we just couldn't get along. Take a good look at me, I'm in misery, can't you see?
Diversity is not about how differ. Diversity is about embracing one's another uniqueness. What a glamorous and spectacular evening, people of Mangataram. Standing in front of you is a fresh and indeed 23-year-old sinner, hailing all the way last, where you can find the sweetest stupid festival of Pangasinan, municipality of Mangataram. At naniniwala po ako sa isang kasabihan, wag na wag mong kukutsain ang kapwa mo mamamayan. Dahil lagi po nating pakatatandaan sa ating mundong ginagalawan, wala pong perpekto ninuman sa atin. At naniniwala rin po ako sa isang kasabihang sa ganitong uri ng patimpalak, may negrang tatatak. Thank you.
The most beautiful things in this world cannot be seen or even touched. It is felt by the human heart. A glorious and gorgeous evening to one of all. This is Kim Reina Kim Lao, all the way from the home of Harold Alice, city of Alaminos, province of Pangasinan. Thank you and good evening.
Rich Kulana Apolinar, 21, representing mga Tarem Humisem. Thank you.
I can remember playing that you and I couldn't make it on through, but something went wrong. We loved each other, we just couldn't get along. Take a good look at me, I'm in misery, can't you see? It was a sweet love. It was complete love.
Beauty capture the eye, but the personality capture the heart. Hi, hello, mabuhay. A glorious evening and a spectacular evening to each and every one people of Mangataram. Standing in front of you is a 21, young and fresh, of course, virgin of this summer. My name is Maxine, youngling in real life, all the way from the progressive municipality here in Pangasinan, municipality
of Bugalyon. Before I live in this beautiful stage, nagiiwan po ako ng isang kasabihan. Walang halong bastos sapagkat 100% manunood ay pawang kabataan. Ba, be, bi, bo, bu. Ba, bakla kaming isinilang, bakla rin po kaming mamamatay. B, binggit aparehulo, saan man kayong magtungo, makakakita kayo ng katulad ko. B, biktima lamang po kami ng panglalait pangungutya sa araw-araw na aming tinatahak. Bo, pasensya na lamang po. Sapagkat bobo ang matatawag ko sa mga taong hindi marunong rumespeto at tumanggap kung sino at ano ang pagkatao namin. Bu, bukas makalawa, bubukas ang langit, at bababa ang Diyos. Sabay-sabay po tayong husgahan kung sino nga ba ang tunay na makasalanan. Kami na inyong kinukutya o kayong mapanghusga. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of night. Thank you.
Vansel May Velasco, 18, representing Orbistondo.
We loved each other, we just couldn't get along. Take a good look at me, I'm in misery, can't you see? It was a sweet love. It was complete love.
Palakpakan! Tonight is a gathering of all the pre-icons all over here in Pangasinan, battling for one crown, one title. And the pageant begins. There is always a simple question that knows who is the fairest of them all. And behind this question, the question that we will find out and witness the metamorphosis of the struggling caterpillar transformed into a glowy, beautiful butterfly. Diyos marahay na bang ginboss sa inyong gabos? Masanto sa labi itsikin namin, or should I say, a pleasant evening, people of the land. Most especially the panel of Board of Judges, good evening. All the way where do I belong, the amazing gay Philippines beauty. Yes, I may not be your Miss Q&A tonight, but I am one of your semi-finalists in Super Serena in Itbulaga, Super Serena Worldwide 2018. Totoo po yun. Standing in front of you sa 25 years of age tenor, a graduate of fashion designing in Global Institute Fashion Course Street, Mandaluyong City. My real name is Rochelle Tak Tak George Marsden in real life, but tonight, please do allow me to stand by the name ang nag-iisang nagpatibok sa puso ni Mr. Coco Martin. Si Miss Julia Montes. At si Miss Julia Montes po ay nag-iiwan ng isang kanta. Napakaraming doktor dito sa inyo, ngunit bakit tila walang natira? Nag-a-abroad sila. Napakaraming pogi dito sa inyo, ngunit bakit tila walang natira? Bakla na rin sila. Once again, this is Julia Montes saying, my heart is always whispering that this competition is not based for who you are and what you look like, but true beauty is collaboration by this, and this. Once again, all the way from Pindang Festival of the North, Mangaldan, province of Pangasinan. Thank you so much.
But something went wrong. We loved each other, we just couldn't get along. Take a good look at me, I'm in
Ang hindi papalakpak, masusunugan ng bahay. Ang hindi magsisigawan, mawawalan ng jowa. Joke lamang po. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Maya Endili Macalanda mula sa bayan ng Orbis Tondo na nagsasabing ang pisikal na kagandahan kumukupas at nawawala. Subalit ang kabutihang iyong magagawa sa iyong kapwa mananatiling ligasiya at hindi makakalimutan ninuman. So guys, hashtag goodness before greatness. Thank you and good evening.
Hep, hep! Bigyan ng jacket yan. The physical attribute of a person time will change, but the goodness of heart will last for a lifetime. I should always believe, should be careful with your thoughts, because your thoughts become your words, and your words become your action, and your action become your personality. For one, destiny. Naimbag na ribii kada kayo amin apo. Masantos, yalabi at sikatayon amin. My name is Paula Garcia Dinoso. I am 24-year-old young stunner, or truly all the way from the Daang Kalikasan Road, from the Maluluwag Hot Spring, and especially from the Tubig Festival of the North. I am from municipality of Mangatarem. And tonight, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to stand up by the name that you're one and only miss. Ang babaeng nagpatibok sa puhikang puso ni Romel Padilla that I am one and only Miss Queen Mother, that I am Miss Carla Estrada. Lagi po nating pakatatandaan na kagandahan ay kumukupas. Ngunit ang ibituran ng iyong puso ay maiiwang legasiya bago pumikit ang iyong mata at humiga sa pinakamaksikip na higaan at papasok sa pinakamadilim na tahanan. Always remember, be humble, and I thank you.
I can't remember nothing, no, no. But the good times we used to share. I'm so sad and lonely. Without you, my life is so dead. I'm sorry to say, you go your way and I go my way. It hurts deep inside. But do you say goodbye? But the love.
When beauty and brain collides, I am your undeniable result. Good evening, mga tara! My name is Mariam Barbie Rosario, 24, a model, endorser, and influencer, proudly representing the city of Urdaneta.
The love I lost. The love I lost.
Naimbag, naragsak, ken napintas tayo amin apo. I am Giovanna Victoria Santos, hailing all the way from the Trade Center of Pangasinan, City of Urdaneta, na nag-iiwan po ng something to make you smile. Aanhin mo ang maputi at makinis na mukha. Kung ang iyong mukha at tengod ay hindi agpada. Hashtag Rejuve Pasis. Thank you.
Of course, Miss Pangasinan Gay Pride is making a history with back-to-back show because Sir Apollo invited world-class singers and belters na ipagmamalaki nating mga taga Pangasinan. We are now in mga taram at maraming magandang tourist spots. Of course, nandyan po ang Manlaluwag Hot Springs and Pakalat River at syempre ang Daang Kalikasan na kung saan matatagpuan ang viral coffee shop name Agkapita, owned and managed by Sir Maui Reliorta. At syempre, if you're looking for a hotel to stay in while you guys are here in mga tarama, dyan po ang Twin Heavens Hotel, owned and managed by Ma'am Grace and Sir Willie Biag, located in Gomez Street. And of course, meron po tayong Nica's Palace Hotel, the official hotel of our candidates. Maraming salamat po. Honorable Harley Paragas, owner and the family. Mga kaibigan, 11 candidates competing for Miss Pangasinan Gay Pride 2023. They work hard for this and claiming their dreams to be queen. And of course, to be the first Miss Pangasinan Gay Pride. Moving on mga kaibigan, on tonight's competition. Thank you very much ladies. At baka tubuan kayo ng ugat dyan while standing. But for now, let's meet of course our board of judges who will give us the final verdict of this competition for sure. I don't want to be in their shoes right now because they have the toughest job on tonight's competition. Let's meet them. Our judge number 1. She is a retired executive secretary to the vice president for 18 years at the international business machine known worldwide as IBM from San Francisco, California. Give it up to Madam Carolyn Obaldo Carlit. Our next judge is a graduate of Mary Charles College, working in Vienna, Strada Clemente. Let's move on to our next judge. She is a graduate of Centro Escolar University as Bachelor of Science in Medical Technology, working in LHC plus USC Medical Center as Clinical Laboratory Scientist in Los Angeles, California. Ladies and gentlemen, Madam Margarita Mars Strada Almacen. Our next judge is the owner of trending and famous coffee shop and food hub in the middle of a rice field. Please give it up to Sir Maui Reliorta. Our next judge is a recording artist from Star Magic family and a performer at Asap Natin To. Of course, a member of music band Pino Pella and the Ryan Kayabyab Singers. And of course, a former winner of Tawag ng Tanghalan sa Showtime. Please welcome Mr. Anthony Castillo. Let's move on to our next judge, a graduate of Management and Entrepreneurship at San Beda College. First-term counselor at Mangataram, Pangasinan. Please welcome Honorable Counselor Ronnie Palisa. Our next judge is a former SK president, former municipal councilor, and youngest regular board member of Pangasinan. Please welcome Honorable Board Member Philip Chudoy Cruz. And to complete the board of judges, everybody, we have our next judge, registered respiratory therapist for 33 years worldwide and currently working in KK Women's and Children's Hospital, Singapore. Lecturer at National University Singapore College of Medicine, KKH Research Coordinator, and the CEO, Director, and Owner of Apollo Smith Production. Please welcome Mr. Apollo Bugarin Aguilan. Again, everybody, let's give the results of awards were judged during the preliminary competition last January 28 in Agkapita. And results was computed and tabulated by our official auditor, Mr. J. Magpalo. Our first award is Best in Municipality Video Presentation. All right, may we watch the video presentation? Municipality video presentation goes to Ms. Bocalion. She will also receive 5,000 pesos in cash. Congratulations. Next award is Best in Casual Wear. Joanna from Ordinata. She will also receive 5,000 pesos and a sash. Congratulations. Our Best in Swimwear. Awards in a row. Congratulations, Marian from Ordineta. Another 5,000 pesos and a sash. Still in the competition. Get your spot because you're still in the competition. Still in the running. From Mga Taram, Rich. Four spot more. And that goes to Bugalion, Maxine. Three more to go, everybody. You guys still there? Here we go. Congratulations. From Aguilar, Ron. Moving on the next round is Urbis Tondo, Denzel May. Three ladies, one spot left. And our remaining spot goes to, who do you think? Paula! Ladies and gentlemen, our top 8! Our top 8 will compete for the following category: Advocacy speech, swimwear, and long gown or evening gown. And mind you guys, all the scores.
Everyone is affected by the essential issue of mental health, regardless of age, gender, or background. Unfortunately, stigmatizing and ignoring mental health can keep people from getting the treatment they need. This is especially true for those who are coping with mental health disease, including bipolar disorder, anxiety, and despair. Making a friendly and safe environment where people can discuss their thoughts and seek assistance is the most crucial things that we can do. This can be as straightforward as lending someone your ear or assuring them that they are not alone. Learning more with this issue will help us benefit them who are struggling or experiencing difficulties. Mental health is ultimately everyone's responsibility. By being kind,
As a beauty queen, I have a mission that's very close to my heart because it's hard for me to see myself in the future that I get older living alone. That's why I'm pursuing my dreams to become an advocate for the home for the golden gays. Because at least I know in the future there's have a home that there's have an open window and open door to welcome us, and there's have an open hand that willing to help us to uplift. At least we all know that there's have a home that we are welcome, because we cannot deny the fact that the world is unfair with us as a LGBT member, because we don't have a right that equal to us. That's why I'm preparing myself in the future, because I know that someday I'll live alone because I am a part of LGBT. Even I am a student right now, I have a mindset that it is for the future, not for me. It is benefited for the all LGBT member, because I know what is the feeling of being alone. At least I live in this world with legacy. Kapung ka.
As a pageant enthusiast, a makeup artist, a breadwinner, an active member of Gay Association of Mangaldan, and a sports lover. Healthy, active lifestyle has been my foundation. But this pandemic is like a nightmare to everyone. Many people has lost their jobs, and many people are having a hard time to put food on their table. All of us are affected, and this brought me into a lot of realization, most especially to our health and wellness as a human being. My advocacy is to promote promoting the healthy, active lifestyle. It is a high time that we should start within ourselves, within our family. Let's encourage everyone to do physical exercises and eat healthy, balanced diet so that we will have a strong stamina to fight any kind of disease. Let us start. Be physically fit, mentally fit, and emotionally fit. I am Rochelle George from Mangaldan, Pangasinan. This is my vision. This is my mission. Let us be the catalyst. Thank you.
It's all about body positivity. Pageants are often to see a beautiful face and sexy body, but here is standing in front of you to break and diminish that notion. As for I believe, beauty comes in different sizes and shape. And for that, for those people who experience bullying, this is the right time to accept our own flaws. To make us unique and stand out, we are beautiful inside and out. Thank you.
COVID-19 is an eye-opener to everyone and taught us to be more resourceful. That even it brought us a massive disaster, it has not been the barrier to stand again. We became firm. We learned to help and unite to overcome this nightmare. I am here standing in front of you to promote my advocacy, which is hashtag support small business. Because I believe that by supporting small business, there's a big contribution not just in our own life, but in the whole world. It will strengthen our local economy, it will create more jobs to unemployed individuals, and our taxes will decrease. It could also create a unique community identity like the viral coffee shop in Agapita. And as a millennial, I really think the use of social media platform by simply posting online, we could reach a massive number of tourists. I would like to take this opportunity to say thank you to our very supportive director, Apollo Smith, for giving us this opportunity to speak out our advocacy. Because I believe that at the end of the day, our goal is to have a better life, so we should start working together for a better future for the new generation.
giving equal access to education for underprivileged students amidst a pandemic. Hi, I'm Denzel May Velasco from Orbis Tondo, Pangasinan. As we all know that we are not yet totally recovered in COVID-19 pandemic and we are enough post-pandemic state, I firmly believe that advocacy involves a sense of responsibility as well. Most importantly, to convey it, someone have heart willing to influence others, touch the other people's lives, and to be a role model for the youth. That's why my advocacy is more centered and focused in supporting education that is good as a traditional learning or what we call face-to-face setting, especially in light of the worldwide pandemic that has brought unprecedented changes to our society and affects the lives of majority. Education plays a vital role in
My advocacy is, of course, no to biased employment. Here in the Philippines, we are so picky that even if the employees are suitable for a job, we do not accept them because they are a member of the LGBTIQ communities or people with disabilities or people with tattoos. I believe that we should not be biased, and I believe that it is our right to get the job that we want. Every opportunity is for everyone. As long as you can do the job done, then you can have it. Karapatan mo makapagtrabaho, karapatan mo ang magkatrabaho. Thank you.
Happiness is always a choice. During this course of pandemic, many has been affected, but we are not able to look on our physicality and mental health as well. Many has lost their jobs. However, we have overlooked those people who are suffering from depression. Depression or mental health is as important as your body. So, if you have a friend or a family member who is experiencing depression, try to talk to them because it is your first defense in order for them to accept that there is really something wrong. Never be afraid to accept that you are suffering from something. Huwag po kayong mahihiya. Hindi po nakakatawa o hindi po nakakatakot kung ikaw ay dumaranas ng depresyon. Ito po ay normal. Lalo't sa ngayong panahon ng pandemya, tayong lahat ay naging...
Kantahan muna tayo, okay? Sabihan niyo ako kung alam niyo yung kanta ko. Okay? Let's go.
Sabay kong nadarama ang kaba at ligaya. Ang iyong tinig, wari kong di marinig, pagkat namamangha pagkausap ka. Kaya nais ko malaman mo sinisigaw nitong puso, pangarap ko ibigin ka. At sa habang panahon, ikaw ay makasama. Ikaw na lang ang siyang kulang sa buhay kong ito. Pangarap ko ang ibigin ka. Ikaw kaya nais din akong makapiling at ibigin. Okay, sarap namang isipin na tayong dalawa ay isa ang damdamin. Aking hinihiling sabihin mo ang nilalaman ng iyong puso. Pangarap ko ibigin ka at makasama. Ikaw na lang ang siyang kulang sa buhay kong ito. Pangarap ko ang ibigin ka. Okay, tagal ko nang naghihintay na sa akin ay nag-aalay ng pag-ibig na tunay at di magwawakas. At sa habang panahon, ikaw ay makasama. Ikaw na lang ang siyang kulang sa buhay kong ito. Pangarap ko ang ibigin ka. At sa habang panahon, ikaw ay makasama. Ikaw na lang ang siyang kulang sa buhay kong ito. Pangarap ko, pangarap ko, pangarap ko ang ibigin ka. Thank you, Bob. Good evening. Now let's have Mangaldan.
top 8 on their swimwear. Again, we would like to say thank you to our creation of the swimwear, a special collection of Sir Jello Pineda. Again, your top 8, Aguilar, Bugalyon, Maldan, Mga Taram, Paula, Mga Taram Rich, Urbis Tondo, Urdaneta Marian, and Urdaneta Joanna.
Believe that we will be in love eternally. Well, as far as I can see, you will always be the one for me. Oh, yes, you will. And I believe in dreams again. I believe that love will never end. And like the river finds the sea, lost, now I'm free. 'Cause I believe in you and me. I will never leave your side. I will never hurt your pride. When all the chips are down, baby, say I will always be around, just to be right where you are. My love, you know I love you, boy. I will never leave you out. I will always let you river to places no one's there. For being deep inside, can't you see that I believe in you and me? Baby, I'm a fool to feel the way I do, and I will play the fool forever, just to be with you forever. I believe in miracles, love's a miracle, and then baby, you're my dream come true. I was lost and now I'm free, and maybe 'cause I believe, I do, I believe in you and me. See, I was lost and now I'm free, 'cause I believe in you Thank you so much po.
Alright, sino bang nakakailam sa inyo nung kantang Gusto Ko Nang Bumitaw? Ayan, Sir CJ, talagang maraming makaka-relate sa atin, for sure.
Yes. At kung alam niyo yung lyrics, sabayan niyo kami. Umiiyak, gabi-gabi, walang tinig na naririnig, nakikipaglaban sa digmaan, natalunan hanggang kailan, talo na, pagod na. Akala ko ika'y sa akin pa pero hindi na pala. Wala na nga ba talaga?
Nilalagalag sa kadiliman, naliligaw, nalilito, ano nga ba ako sa'yo? Sino nga ba ako sa'yo? Dito sa aking pagkakahimlay, sa dibdib ko'y parang may nakadagan. Walang kasing lungkot, walang kasing sakit. Gusto ko nang bumitaw, ayaw pa ng puso. Gusto ko nang bumitaw, may pag-asa pa siguro. Kalaban ng sarili, sino bang dapat pumili? Sino nga ba, ako ba o ikaw? Gusto ko nang bumitaw. Kung kalungkutan ko, kaligayahan mo. Kung pagkagapos ko'y paglaya mo. Kung ang sugat sa puso kong siyang lunas dyan sa puso mo, paano na ako magpaparaya ba? Papakawalan na lamang, bakit ang buo sa loob? Pinanghihinaan na ng loob. Gusto ko nang bumitaw, ngunit ayaw pa ng puso. Gusto ko nang bumitaw, may pag-asa pa siguro. Kalaban ng sarili, sino bang dapat pumili? Sino nga ba, ako ba o ikaw? Gusto ko nang bumitaw. Gusto ko nang bumitaw. Kung mahabol, ngunit wala namang nakikinig. Walang magandang pupuntahan, kailanman ang maling pag-ibig. Kaya ngayon pipiliin ko muna ang aking sarili bago magmahal muli. Magmamahalan pa kaya, magmamahalan pa kaya tayo muli.
Yes, kalain mo papunta na tayo sa exciting part dahil maya-maya malalaman na natin sino kaya ang mag-uwi ng 50,000 pesos.
And of course, a round-trip ticket to Singapore with
3 days and 2 nights via Philippine Airline in Marina Bay Sands, Singapore. Grabe.
That's right. Grabe,
Palakpakan,
ano?
Apollo Smith.
Thank you very much, Sir Apollo. And of course, syempre, kanina yung mga nag-perform, yan po lahat ay talents ng Apollo Smith Productions. Pag sinabi mong Apollo Talents or Apollo Smith Talents, pang world-class talaga, partner.
I think you're part of the Apollo talent, right?
Yes, indeed. And we're so grateful, Sir Apollo.
We have Mr. Mark Sarigan, the Chief of Staff of Office of the Board Member, Attorney Heidi Pacheco, to give us a message.
Gabi po sa inyong lahat. In behalf po of our beloved board member, Attorney Heidi Sanchez Pacheco, nandito po ang aming kasama, ang walang iba, ang kapwa board member ni Attorney Heidi, ang katandem po dito sa Segundo Distrito. Palakpakan po natin, board member Philip Cruz. Sa atin pong mahal na Mayor Gramil Ventanilla, nandyan po si Mayora Jensen, magandang gabi po. To all the LGU officials, ang ating pong Councilor Ronnie Palisok, At sa lahat po ng bisita dito po sa mga terem, and of course, palakpakan po natin ang tao sa likod ng Miss Gay Pangasinan Pride. Walang iba kundi si Mr. Apollo Bugarin Aguilan. Palakpakan po natin. Alam niyo po, sa lahat po ng napuntahan namin ni Board Member Attorney Heidi, ito na po marahil ang pinaka-prestigiyoso at napakagandang Miss Gay dito sa buong lalawigan ng Pangasinan. Pinapabatid po ng inyong minamahal na Board Member Attorney Heidi na hindi po siya nakarating ngayong gabi kasi po meron po siyang prior commitment sa Manila. Gayunpaman, ipinadala niya po ako para po makisaya sa inyo at makita kung papaano po naidaos ang ating Miss Gay. Alam niyo po, napakalapit po sa puso ni Board Member Attorney Heidi ang LGBTQ. Alam niyo po kasi suki po ata kami, alam po yan ni Board Member Philip, suki po kami ng mga LGBT or mga pageant po or Miss Gay sa iba't ibang bayan dito sa Segundo Distrito. Actually, ako din po ay member ng LGBT, kaya po ganun na lang ang pagpapahalaga ni Board Member Attorney Heidi Pacheco sa ating mga sisters, sa ating mga brothers or sa the whole LGBT community. Kaya naman po, happy fiesta po sa bayan ng mga Tarem. Mula po sa inyong lingkod kay Board Member Attorney Heidi Sanchez Pacheco, isang panangarong gabi po kada kayo amin. Maraming pong salamat at magandang gabi.
Maraming salamat, Apollo Smith, and of course, samantalahin ko na I just want to say thank you to Ma'am Caroline Garlit from United States of America. Thank you, Ma'am Carol. Okay.
And also, I'd like to say thank you, B Aesthetics, for my skincare naman. And Sir Apollo, of course. Maraming salamat po.
And Mr. Maui from Agkapita sa napakasarap na coffee
I love the
supply.
coffee. Sir Maui.
Ano
Baka
naman?
naman. Alright. Mga kaibigan, let's meet again our gorgeous candidates as they strut down and show their elegance and sophistication in the evening gown competition. This Eureka Sans creation is handmade with a plumbing neckline and a bareback down. This sultry look will surely shine with silver and gold crystal. On the Buddhas, from the neckline to hem, that will surely make the room shimmer. And the golden wavy electronic ruffles at the brick symbolizes movement in our life. Like a semi-colon, it represents solidarity, strength, and mental health awareness. It reminds us to keep going. In addition, its golden color symbolizes perseverance. Just like gold, it undergoes process before it becomes beautiful, worthy, and valuable that a phenomenal queen can ever wear. Again, let's have this beautiful candidate from Aguilar.
Minsan nang walang tigil, ang isip ko'y umiiyak at nanggigigil. Ngunit ang puso ko'y hindi magpapapigil. Ngayon ay nandito.
This beautiful evening gown is meticulously studded with gold and crystals, rhinestones, and tessellated lines, which replicates the farm fields of Pangasinan. It was hand-beaded using an embossed golden crystal beads with the inspiration from the golden grains of palay, which can only be earned through the sweat and tears of our farmers. The golden crystal teardrop that falls from her shoulder represents the rich water bodies of Pangasinan, which serve as an irrigation to water our farm fields. The creation pays tribute to the local farmers of Pangasinan, as this Binibini is a proud daughter of a farmer and a strong advocate of sustainable farming. Ladies and gentlemen, Bugalyon, Miss Maxine.
This gown is handmade by Renel Suarez. It is made of sparkling beads and rhinestones. This classy gown's covered with embossed stones and indicate sparkling sequins. And these gowns represent love, beauty, and happiness of a phenomenal trans woman. All the way from Mangaldan, province of Pangasinan, Miss Rochelle George.
Next in her evening gown competition, Paula from mga Tarem. Her evening gown designed by herself, own self, and this red gown is made by sequins with embroidery lace. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Paula from mga Tarem.
Her gown symbolizes the growth and fruitful achievements of the municipality of Mangatarong, as the golden yellow color represents prosperity and happiness. The embellished beads represent the golden rice grains, which represent our beautiful town, Mangatarong.
The color green is representing of joy and serenity. Candidate number 8 wants to remind us that one of the quality of a member of the LGBTQIA community is the ability to bring happiness to each and every individual. Additionally, the LGBT community only ever advocate for mental peace, which is why we have a variety and advanced as a well-being, wearing a bracelet with white beads which hand for humanity that you give even who things are going been for you. It promotes maintaining modern and
Mariam Barbie C. Rosario of Urdaneta City in Glens Marquino Creation. Name Amihan, a coutoured see-through mesh gown made with fanciful arrangements and embellished with silver rhinestones and sapphire, blue glass beads, pyramid acrylic mirrors, and sequins. This gown is perfectly made sexy and class that embodies a true story of beauty and strong royal queen. Again, everybody representing Urdaneta City, Mariam Barbie C. Rosario.
The gown inspired by the iconic Jessica Rabbit outfit and a Margaret Angera design. This figure-hacking masterpiece accentuated with crystals, beads, and Swarovskis. Differently firing up the stage, she's hot and everything nice. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Urdaneta City, Juana.
Thank you very much, ladies. For now, everybody, as I said earlier, punong-puno tayo ng talents tonight aside from this beauty competition.
And to serenade us, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Wenzel, Portugal.
I'm trying to hold my breath, let it stay this way. Can't let this moment end. You said of a dream with me, getting louder now. Can you hear it echoing? Take my hand, will you share this with me? 'Cause darling, without you, all the shines without the spotlight, all the stars we steal from the night sky will never be enough, never be enough. Towers of gold are still too little. These hands could hold the world, but it'll never be enough, never be enough for me. All the shines of a thousand spotlight, all the stars we steal from the night sky will never be enough, never be enough. Towers of gold are still too little. These hands could hold the world, but it'll never be enough, never be enough.
Ayan muli, para po sa inyong lahat at para sa lahat ng nangangarap. Woo! Kay raming pangarap, minsan natutupad, minsan di para sa atin. Sa mga pagkakataong ito, ako'y nagpapasalamat pa rin sa pagsikat ng araw, liwanag ng buwan at bituin, tubig sa dagat, mga puno't bundok, sariwang simoy ng hangin. Okay, ganda ng ating mundo, nasisilayan ng biyayang ito, tupad ang pangarap ko, tupad ang pangarap ko. Okay, ganda ng ating mundo, tupad na ang pangarap ko. Sa aking puso'y nag-iisa, mayroong himig na kumakatok sa pinto ng aking alaala. Di na dapat tumitig pa sa iyong mga mata. Ngayon ikaw na nga ang nakikita. Ang alaala ko'y biglang nagala, ngunit pag-ibig ko'y di nawala. At kahit pa ang mundo ay mag-iba, ako'y laging nandito, di man ako para sa'yo. Puso'y di magbabago, walang iba, walang iba, wala nang hahanapin pa. Pag-ibig ko'y sa'yo, sa'yo hanggang sa huli. Thank you! Siguro ay nararapat na ika'y limutin na pag-ibig ko'y isang angin na di mo madarama. Di na dapat tumitig pa sa iyong mga mata. Ngayon ikaw na nga ang nakikita. Tanging pag-asa ko'y biglang nagala, ngunit pag-ibig ko'y di nawala. At kahit pa ang mundo ay mag-iba, ako'y laging nandito, di man ako para sa'yo. Puso'y di magbabago, walang iba, walang iba, wala nang hahanapin pa. Pag-ibig ko'y sa'yo, sa'yo hanggang sa huli kong pinagdampo. Tayong dalawa'y para sa isa't isa. At kung nasabi ko ang lahat noon, ay may magbabago ba sa aking bawat paghinga? Dalangin makapiling ka. At kung ito na ang huli, nais kong malaman mo na. Thank you! Sabayan niyo ako sa pagkanta, ha? Next lyrics, mahal kita! Mahal kita, mahal kita, woo! Mahal kita. Walang iba, wala nang hahanapin alam ko, hindi niyo po ako mapipigilan kasi sobrang sarap po kumanta dito sa Pangasinan. Ano po, sana maulit. Alright, ito pong song na last song ko po ay isa po sa song na kinanta ko sa Tawag ng Tanghalan. Para po ulit sa inyong lahat. Love mo ba? Hello!
Pumikit limutin ang problema. Darating din ang umaga.
Everyone!
Magpahinga, managinip ng ikaliligaya. Darating din ang umaga.
Ayan, alam niyo tong song na to po, ha? Kaya sabihin niyo ako.
Basta tayo'y magkasama, laging mayroong umagang kay ganda. Pagsikat ng araw, may dalang liwanag. Sa ating pangarap. Ang sikat ng araw na may dalang liwanag. Basta tayo'y magkasama, laging mayroong umaga kay ganda. May dalang liwanag sa ating pangarap. Haharapin natin.
Thank you so much, Pangasinan! Once again, Winston, Portugal po. Thank you!
Our two delegates from Mangatarang, Urbistondo, and the two for the Neta City. Alright, mga kaibigan, the moment of truth. You guys ready? Mga taram, gising pa ba kayo? Still awake, alright. Okay, here we go. Ladies, deep breath. Let's find out if your candidates or bets are still in the running. You're in the top 5. We're the Neta City, Marian. Next spot goes to we're the Neta City. Our two Ordinetas still in the running. Congrats, ladies. 3 more. And that goes to Make some noise to Rich Mga Taram! Moving on, everybody, on our top 5. I'm a bit shaky now. Ladies, wear your beautiful smile, especially to you, from Bugalyon! One spot left, everybody, to complete the top 5. And moving on to the semifinals. Who do you think? That goes to representing Mangaldan, Rochelle George. Again, everybody, our beautiful top 5. Ordinata, Mangaldan, Mga Taram, and Bugalyon. Thank you very much, Jar. Let's have Maxine, please. You're up. Dito ako sa kabila para maiba naman. Okay. How are you, Maxine? Kamusta?
I'm great tonight and thankful that I represent my municipality. I'm so grateful and thankful to Sir Apollo that for choosing me as your candidate tonight. Thank you for the warm welcoming us, Mga Taram. Good evening.
Indeed. That's so lovely. Who's with you? Sino kasama mo?
Yung handlers ko po and yung mga...
Nasaan sila?
Ano?
Ayun! Hi, guys.
Yan, mga from Bugalyon po.
From Bugalyon team. Okay, you ready? So you're gonna pick a question over there. Walang time limit. Alright? No time limit? Kahit 1 hour daw. Okay. Your question is, what do you think has been the most important social movement of your generation and why? What do you think has been the most important social movement of your generation and why?
Good evening, people of Mga Taram. The most important thing that movement as LGBT member is we as LGBT member also, we accept and respect ourselves. Hingi na tayo ng hingi ng respeto at daing na tayo ng daing ng respeto, ngunit sarili natin hindi natin respeto. Dahil nagsisimula po ito sa atin bago po tayo tanggapin ng lipunan. And now we're so thankful and grateful to Ma'am Mela. She passing the law which is the accepting of each individual living in the LGBT community with the purpose. That's why marami na po ngayon ang transgender na nakakapasok sa mga publikong paaralan. Mayroon na pong mga guro na nakakapagturo kahit sila ay transgender woman sapagkat unti-unti na po tayong umaangat at yumayapak sa totoong mundo na ang bansang ito ay unti-unti po tayong natatanggap sapagkat ipakita natin na deserving po natin ang respeto at pagtanggap na ipinapakita ng bawat isa upang sa bukas makalawa hindi magsisi ang ating ekonomiya at bansang nasasakupan. Maraming salamat po.
Rochelle, come over here representing Mangaldan. So how are you naman tonight? How's the preparation so far?
Pressure for me because this is a prestigious pageant. This is my first time to join as a prestigious pageant. So it's a big preparation for me.
All right, indeed. A big challenge indeed.
Yes,
right?
indeed.
So would you like to say thank you muna to your glam team or supporters na andito ngayong gabi?
Yes, first and foremost, I will thank God for Almighty who gave me strength in fighting this kind of beauty pageant. Second is my family. Third, my boyfriend. And fourth, my friends over there who support me all the way from Mangaldan. Thank you so much, guys. And the people here in Mga Taram, thank you so much for accepting us and watching us right now. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I'm sure super proud si boyfriend, ano? May we have the question, please? Zar? Alright. Paki-open na lang. At ang dami ko ng dala. Okay. Zar, can you hold this, please? Ayan. Oo. Alright. Your question is, what do you believe is the most important issue facing LGBT in the workplace today and why? Ulitin natin. What do you believe is the most important issue facing LGBT in the workplace today and why?
Okay, you know what, ladies and gentlemen? We're not yet totally accepted, but we are tolerated. Kami pong mga transgender o mga LGBTQIA+ ay hindi pa ganun katanggap-tanggap sa trabaho ng gobyerno. Lalo na rin po sa mga eskwelahan. Lalo na po paano po kami magtuturo kung ang buhok namin po ay gugupitan. Yan po ang isa sa mga problema namin kaya hindi kami makapasok sa isang napakagandang trabaho. You know what? Come to think of this, ladies and gentlemen. We gays are not the liabilities of this society, but rather, we are the asset of this society. Because God united us like brothers and sisters. But since I am a gay physically man, but in my heart and mind, I am a woman. No matter how I look, and I'm proud to tell you that I am also created by God equally. Basagin niyo man ang bungo namin, hiwain niyo man ang pagkatao namin, tatayo at tatayo kami na ang bandera namin ay hindi matutumba. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Sobrang saya po. The last time I'm on stage is representing my barangay and now I'm representing my municipality.
Indeed, and also I also hosted that, diba?
Yes.
Congrats. Okay. Would you like to pick a question? And please open it. Okay. Your question is, what quality in yourself are you most proud of? And how will you apply that quality to your time as Miss Pangasinan Gay Pride 2023? Sounds familiar. Okay. What quality in yourself are you most proud of? And how will you apply that quality to your time as Miss Pangasinan Gay Pride 2023? You can, sure.
So the question that was given to me is, what quality of myself that I'm most proud of? Ladies and gentlemen, I grew up in a world where full of discrimination and bullying. Discrimination and bullying. People would laugh at me because I have a dark skin. And I'm really proud of because I overcome those criticism into motivation, and that's why I'm standing in front of you. And I would apply this as the first ever Miss Pangasinan Gay Pride to be the voice of the youth, to be who you are, to be proud of who you are. And that's all about this. Thank you.
Why?
Because I was supposed to be the representative of Pangasinan in the Miss International Queen pageant.
Oh, really?
But I did not make it because of a busy schedule.
Oh.
But as they say, when one door close, another one opens. So here I am. Hello, mga tarem.
And everything happens for a reason, right?
Definitely. Maybe this is a preparation for me before I go international.
I agree. Zar, please come over here and pick your question that will determine if you're gonna move on to the next round. Okay, open it please, pampabuenas, para swerte, di ba? Wala namang time limit so far. Okay, yes, please. And your question is, social media has become a prominent factor in the way we perceive one another. Do you believe that social media has had a positive or negative effect on the way we judge beauty? Sure.
Okay. So, to make it short, social media, what is the bad and side effect of it? And does it affect us on looking at the beauty of other people? Definitely, yes. But as a millennial and as a person who thinks rationally, we are the problem when it comes to negativities that is connected to social media. Come to think of it, whenever you see a post in social media, you have a negative and positive thinking about it. For example, if you see a member of the LGBTIQ community wearing a female dress, what is the first thing that you would say? Ay, bakla. Ay, salot. When someone posts on social media that they are showing off what they have, for example, they are earning money about 6 digits,
what would you say? Ay, mayabang. Ay, nagpapasikat. So, there you go. People nowadays tend to judge one another when in fact, you should be judging yourself first. Because as a person, you should know how to use correctly the process of social media. Because as they say, it is not the fault of social media if there is a positive or negative happening in our society. Rather, it is the user, it is his accountability, and of course, he is the one who is controlling the computer, not the computer controlling the person. So I think that what we should do is that we should think before we click. It might cliche as it sounds, but then again, we do not practice it. So this is a reminder for everyone. You have a mind, use it. You have a heart, prove it. Thank you.
Wala ka palang mic. Okay, I'm sorry.
I'm actually shaking right now because all of the girls are very competitive.
Yeah, you're very familiar. Had you joined a lot of or national competition before?
Yes, I have represented our province in Cebu for Queen Philippines, and
Wow.
I was one of the lucky semi-finalists of Miss Q&A also. That was
Wow.
just held last October.
Wow, that was WOW, indeed. All right.
Maliit na bagay.
Maliit na bagay, grabe. Zar, please. And tonight, let's find out if you're gonna make it to our next round. So, make sure to answer this one. Please open it. Ayan. Ako'y wala nang kamay. Your question is, how would you describe the ocean into a blind child? How would you describe the ocean into a blind child?
So whoever wrote the question, let's just put it this way. Either the child has been born blind or maybe he acquired his blindness through certain accident. Now, it is really tough to live your life without seeing anything, especially if you have grew up seeing how wonderful this world is. However, if you have had this blindness since birth, then definitely there are some things that will definitely teach you on how to know things even though you are blind. Now, I was given the task to describe the ocean to a blind child. First and foremost, I am an introvert person, so it is really hard for me to communicate to a person who is having difficulties seeing things. But I will definitely do my best by simply taking this child into the beach and letting him feel how rough the sand is, how cold the water is, and I will let her feel or him feel the wind blowing in her face. Through this way, it is being said that this is a way of psychology describing colors to blind people. Let them touch, let them smell, and let them feel so that they can easily understand. And ladies and gentlemen, may kakulangan ka man, may kapansanan ka man, alisin na po natin ang notion sa ating isipan na persons with disability because they are now called persons who are differently abled because they can do their own things in their different way. Thank you.
Sasha ka lang. Paulit pa, wait lang po. Ayan, before anything else, I would like to say good evening to each and everyone. Ayan, sana po ay gising pa po ang lahat. Gising pa po ba kayo? Ay, mukhang mahina. Gising pa po ba kayo? Ayan, well and good. Ayan, before I sing my song, and I would like to take this opportunity to thank, of course, my kumare. Kuya, may lakad ka. Wait lang. Wait lang po. I would like to thank this opportunity to thank my kumare Apollo Smith. Thank you for always giving us the opportunity to perform and showcase our talent, even if I am not as your winner in one of your contests, pero still, hindi mo kami nakakalimutan, and we're so grateful, all of us, buong pamilya namin is very, very thankful of you. Never mo kaming iniwan, never mo kaming nakalimutan, and we will also do the same until you and us grow old. Okay, so this song is for everyone at medyo tulog na po yung boses namin, so sana po ay magustuhan pa rin po ninyo. Music, please. That Arizona sky burning in your eyes. You look at me and babe, I wanna catch on fire. It's buried in my soul, that California gold. You found the light in me that I couldn't find. So when I'm all choked up and I can't find the words, every time I say goodbye, baby, it hurts. So when the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Love is in the night, poets trying to write. We don't know how to rhyme, but damn we try. But all I really know, you're where I wanna go. The part of me that you would never die. So when I'm all choked up and I can find the words, every time I say goodbye, baby, it hurts. So when the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us. That's no way. I don't wanna be just a memory, baby. So when I'm all choked up and I can find the words, every time I say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us. That's no fire when you look at me and the whole world fades. I'll always remember us. There's a way. Thank you. The green keep on turning, cranberry keep on burning, and we're rolling, rolling, yeah, rolling on the river. Say we're rolling, rolling, yeah, rolling on the river. Come on! Woo! Who left a good job in the city, working for the men every night and day, and I never lost a minute of sleep and worry about the way things might have been. We will keep on
at pwedeng
Sobra.
ipagmalaki. Oo.
Maraming salamat po, Sir Apollo, once more for inviting these famous and napakagaling na singers.
Marami pa mga special performers ang ating mga aabangan before we announce the winner. Okay?
Let's find out. Stay tuned.
And of course, we would like to thank the following people who supported Apollo Speed Production from California, USA. Thank you so much to Margarita Mars Almacen.
Maraming salamat din po, Ma'am Caroline Garlit.
Yes, and also thank you so much to Marithel Bautista.
Thank you to Ma'am Gloan Santos.
Jenny Catalon.
Ma'am Telma Juliander.
Ranos Estrada.
Ma'am Helen Apisyal.
Imelda Magalong.
We would also like to say thank you to Wilhelmshaven, Germany.
Andrea Herman.
Ma'am Aurora Opitz.
Leticia Gellert.
And Ma'am Antit Ricks.
And also would like to thank from Toronto and Calgary, Canada, Imelda Estrada Amparado. Thank you.
Sir Jesus Vodka Kalikdan.
Would like also to thank from Vienna, Austria, Maria Lourdes Neptune Clemente.
Sir Bong Clemente.
And from the Philippines, Ted Fernandez.
Thank you very much.
Criselda Fernandez, Daleen Ballesters, and of course, our official tabulator and the auditor, J.R. Magpalo.
Now let's call back on stage all our top 5 ladies. Come over here, please.
Here we go, partner. Naku, papunta na nga talaga tayo sa exciting part.
Papunta na rin tayo sa harap.
Na tayo.
Guys, it's about time to announce who will move on to the final round or the top 3. Again, all the scores are tabulated perfectly by our official tabulator, our auditor in charge, Mr. Sir J.
Mr. J. Magpalo.
Sir J. Mapalo, thank you.
And partner, the announcement of top 3 semifinalists after this will go back again to 0 scores.
May I have the results, please? Folks, in no particular order, the 3 ladies that will move on to the finals are Joanna from Urdaneta! Still in the running. Take your spot. Marian! Urdaneta City! 2 Urdanetas.
2 Urdanetas.
Congratulations. 1 spot left, everybody. Sad to say, we had to say goodbye to the 2 ladies right over there. Mga taram, who do you think will move on? May nagsasabi, Bugalyon. May nagsabi, mga taram. Others say, Mangaldan. Well, we only need 1. Congratulations to mga taram! Rich mga taram! Thank you very much, Bugalyon and Mangaldan.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our top 3 finalists, Marian from Urdaneta, Joanna from Urdaneta, and Rich from Mga Tarem. Grabe, intense now ang eksena. In a few minutes, we'll be announcing who will be our new queen at ang kauna-unahang Miss Pangasinan Gay Pride 2023.
Again, our first runner-up, J. Mark Fontanilla from San Carlos City. We would like to call on
Mr. Maui Reliorta.
And of course, to all our viewers online, hello, hello sa inyong lahat, all over the world. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon. Diba? Looks familiar
And
ba?
don't forget to share. O, di ba? Paano na yun? Familiar na familiar yun, partner.
Of course, that's one of the trending in SOCMED.
Thank you so much, Mr. Maui Reliorta.
Next is our Mr. Gay, Pangasinan Online 2021, Koy Laksamana.
And I would like to say thank you to Maria Lourdes ng Chile Estrada for the crown, partner.
Thank
Wow,
you.
maraming salamat po.
For sure, marami tayong sponsors, donors, and benefactors tonight.
Yes.
Maraming salamat po. Here we go, everybody, before the announcement and crowning moment of our delegates on tonight's competition, we will be giving you another performance coming from the grand champion of the Voice Kids, our very own Vanjas Balyaban!
Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Gising pa po ba ang lahat? Dito na lang sa Gedli ang gising. Dito naman sa gitna, gising pa po ba ang lahat? Konti na lang. Huwag po kayo mag-alala. Gigisingin ko po kayong lahat sa aking mga hinandang awitin. Music po, Mr. DJ, hindi ko na po patatagalin to. Gustong gusto ko kayong gisingin lahat. Sa lahat pong nakakalam ng song na to, pwede niyo po akong sabayan. How we roll into the midnight sun. Wheels go round and round, you're on my mind. Restless hearts sleep alone tonight, sending all my love along the wire. They say that the road's ain't no place to start a family. Right down the line is between you and me. And love and the music, man, it always was supposed to be. Oh, girl, you stand by me. I'm forever yours. Everybody say, faithfully. Alright, for my next song, alam ko po na marami po sa inyo yung nakakalam ng song na to. A faded waiting photograph, you and me in our first dance. Our eyes are closed, we're lost in one sweet embrace. Since those days the world has changed, our love remains the same. God knows we had our share of saving grace, and I'm proud of all the blessings you have given me. The mountains we've climbed to get this far, you learn. You still bump me the days and nights that I was gone. After all these years, you sacrificed, believed in me, and you stood strong. 'Cause with our love, there's nothing left to feel. After all these years. Ay, nag-effort pa si Kuya. Nawalan kasi ng mic, siguro na lobat. Ayan, by the way, thank you po kay Kuya sa bigay ng another mic. And for this next song, alam ko marami nang inaantok sa inyo. Marami nang gustong matulog at umuwi, pero hindi ko yung papauwiin. Dahil alam ko po sa inyo na maraming nakakaalam ng song na to. Pwede niyo po ako sabayan. Lying beside you, here in the dark, feeling your heartbeat with mine. Softly whisper, you're so sincere. How could our love be so blind? We sat on together, we drifted apart, and here you are by my side. Everybody! So now I come to you with open arms, nothing to hide. Believe what I say. So here I am with open arms, hoping you see what your love means to me. Open arms. Alright, ready na ba ang lahat? Sabay-sabay po tayo mag-enjoy tonight. Let's go! Ating puntasan ng ating energy para mas masaya ang ating gabi. Okay, let's go. Sa lahat po nakakalam ng song na to, pwede niyo po ko sabayan. Come on! Working hard to get my feel, and everybody wants a thrill. Paying anything to roll the dice just one more time. Some will win, some will lose. Some are born to sing the blues. Oh, the movie never ends. It goes on and on and on and on. Strangers waiting, go up and down the boulevard, the shadows searching in the night. Street lights, people living just to find emotion, hiding somewhere in the night. Holding to that feeling, street lights, people. Don't stop believing. Holding to that feeling, street lights, people. Don't stop. Alright, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And gusto ko sanang kantahin yung Jopay. Pero tulog na atang lahat. Gusto niyo po bang kantahin ko yung Jopay? Pero ang gusto ko, sasabayan niyo ako. Okay ba yon? Okay ba yan? Gusto ko sasabayan niyo ka. Pero bago ko po kantahin yung Jopay, I need water. Hey kay Joms. Yes. Check. Hello. Gusto ko mataas ang energy nating lahat bago ko kantahin yung Jopay. Okay po ba yun lahat? Talagang tulog na sila. Di bale? Check. Sige. Palit. Check. Hello. Sige. Music po tayo. Gusto ko sabayan niyo ako, ha? Okay po ba yon? Sige. Tingnan nga natin kung talagang mataas ang energy ng mga tara. Ready na bang lahat? Jopay, kamusta ka na? Palagi kitang pinapanood, nakikita. Jopay, pasensya ka na. Wala rin kasi akong makausap at kasama. Ready, ready! Huwag ka nang mawala. Say! Huwag ka nang mawala. Let's go! Ngayon, dadalhin kita sa aming bahay. Di tayo mag-aaway, aalis tayo sa tunay na mundo. Dadalhin kita sa aming bahay. Di tayo mag-aaway, aalis tayo sa tunay na mundo. Jopay, kamusta na ba? Buti ka pa, palagi kang masaya. Jopay, buti na lang nariyan ka, hindi na ako mag-iisa. Huwag ka nang mawala, huwag ka nang mawala. Ngayon, dadalhin kita sa aming bahay. Di tayo mag-aaway, aalis tayo sa tunay na mundo. Dadalhin kita sa aming bahay. Di tayo mag-aaway, aalis tayo sa tunay na mundo. Sa tunay na mundo. Ayan, nagulat kayo. Alam ko yung trending ngayon, ah. Ano mas okay, yung original or yung trending? Original ba? Mas maganda ba yung original? Ah, sige. Gusto ko. Ang dami pa pala taas sa likod. Pero gusto ko sana, bago ko kantahin yung line na, huwag ka nang mawala. Gusto ko sabay-sabay tayong lahat. Or, kaya naman siguro tahimik kayo, dahil pinakawalan niya na. Ay, tahimik na sila. Pinakawalan na nga. Pinakawalan niyo na ba? Gusto niya nang mawala? Oh, grabe naman tong mga to. Huwag ka nang mawala. Huwag ka nang mawala. Ngayon, dadalhin kita sa aming bahay. Di tayo mag-aaway, aalis tayo sa tunay na mundo. 3, 2, 1, dadalhin kita sa aming bahay. Di tayo mag-aaway, aalis tayo sa tunay na mundo. Dadalhin kita sa aming bahay. Di tayo mag-aaway, aalis tayo sa tunay na mundo. Sa tunay na mundo. Sa tunay na mundo. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. And for my last two songs, bago ko po kantahin yung last two songs ko po, maraming salamat po kay Mayor Ramil Ventanilla, Mayora Jensen Viray, Sir Apollo B. Aguilan, Paul Smith, Production, mga taram, Umisem. Ayan, maraming salamat po. And abangan nyo po ako ngayon sa ASAP para sa pagbubukas ng The Voice Kids Season 5. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. And for my next song, alam ko po na alam nyo po itong kanta na to. Kaya kung pwede po sana, sabayan nyo po ako. Ang kanta na po nito ay ang Ikaw Lang by Nobita. Alright, let's go. O kay ganda pagmasdan ang iyong mga mata, kumikinang-kinang. Di ko maintindihan ang iyong mga tingin, labis ang mga ningning. Langit ay bumaba, bumababa pala ang tala. Say, tumingin ka sa aking mga mata at hindi mo na kailangan pang magtanong ng paulit-ulit. Say, alright. At kung di kumbinsi, di magtiwala ka, hawakan ang puso't maniwala na ikaw lang ang siyang inibig. Say, okay. At sa iyong paglalambing niya ko ay nahulog din. Di ko alam kung ano ang gagawin, di ko alam kung saan titingin. Halik sa laping tingin na natin di akalain mahulog ka sa'kin. Tumingin ka sa aking mga mata at hindi mo na kailangan pang magtanong ng paulit-ulit. Say, ikaw lang ang iniibig. At kung di kumbinsi, di magtiwala ka, hawakan ang puso't maniwala na ikaw lang ang siyang inibig. Say, ikaw lang ang inibigin, sinta. Alright, gusto ko pong itaas ninyo ang mga ilaw ninyo para sabay-sabay nating maramdaman ang kantang to. Sige, itaas natin lahat. Let's go! At sa paglisa ng araw, huwag ka na hindi ka mahal. At ang nadaramay hindi matatagal. Malay ko bang hindi mapapagal. Everybody! Iibigin kita kahit gaano pa katagal. Tumingin ka sa aking mga mata at hindi mo na kailangan pang magtanong ng paulit-ulit. Ikaw lang ang iniibig. At kung di kumbinsi, di magtiwala ka, hawakan ng puso't maniwala na ikaw lang ang siyang inibig. Ikaw lang ang iniibig. La 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 la. La 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 la. Everybody, la 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 la. Sinta. Ito ang mga binaliwala. Ready na pang lahat? Okay, okay. Sabayan niyo ako, ha? Okay ba yun? Turn off the light. Mag-flashlight ulit tayo. Let's go! Ikaw na pala ang may-ari ng damdamin ng minamahal ko. Sige, magsakitan tayo. Pakisabi na lang na wag nang mag-alala at okay lang ako. Sige, yun lang natin ang flashlight natin. Let's go! Sabi nga ng iba, kung talagang mahal mo siya, ihahayaan mo. mo na mamaalam, hahayaan mo na lumisan. Kaya rumiling ako kay Bathala, na sana'y hindi na siya luluha pa, na sana'y hindi na siya mag-iisa. Ready your flashlight, let's go! Na sana lang. Now everybody, ingatan mo siya. Let's go! Binan. Let's go! Okay? Nawala na ng saysay ang pagmamahal, na kay tagal ko ring binubuo, na kay tagal ko ring hindi sinuko. Binaliwala niya ako dahil sa'yo, dahil sa'yo. Everybody! Ito nang huling yawit na kanyang maririnig. Ito nang huling tingin na dati kang kinikilig. Ito nang huling araw ng mga yakap ko't halik. Ito na, ito na. Now sing everybody! Sabi nga ng iba, kung talagang mahal mo siya ay hahayaan mo, hahayaan mo na mamaalam, hahayaan mo na lumisan. Ingatan mo siya, dahil pinaliwala niya ako dahil sa'yo. Nawala na ng saysay ang pagmamahal, na kay tagal ko rin binubuo, na kay tagal ko rin hindi sinuko. Pinaliwala niya ako dahil sa'yo, dahil sa'yo. Ito nang muling awit na iyong maririnig. Ito nang muling tingin na dati kang kinikilig. Ito na muling araw, say, ng mga yakap ko't halik. Ito na, ito na. Everybody, ingatan. Alright, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, mga taram Pangasinan. And of course, maraming salamat rin po kay Sir Apollo. Maraming salamat po. Kung hindi po dahil sa inyo, walang-wala po ko tonight. And, may nagre-request pa dito. Isa pa? Isa pa ba? Gusto nyo pang masaktan? Gusto nyo pang masaktan? Ano pang gusto nyo kantahin ko? Diba? Hindi ko na naiintindihan. Actually, nagpe-perform ako dito ng sobrang ganda dahil bibilihan daw ako ni Papa ko ng iPhone 14 Pro Max. Wow! Diba? Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. And pasensya na po. Actually, gusto ko pang kumanta eh. Isa pa ba? Kaso parang na-overcome ko na yung show tonight. Parang ako na yung pasensya na po. Sige po. Sana, Sir Apollo, ma-invite niyo po ulit ako for the next show or events sa ganitong kagandang crowd. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat, mga tarong Pangasinan, Sir Apollo.
Again, the presenter of this award, Councilor Ronnie Palisok and Margarito Mars Almacen.
Congratulations, Team Mga Taram! Second runner-up!
Member Philip Theodore Cruz and Madam Caroline Ubaldo Garli. And the presenter of our Miss Pangasinan Gay Pride 2023 for the sash, Maria Lourdes Neptune Estrada Clemente. And for the trophy, Mr. Maui Rilyorta. And for the bouquet, we have Mr. Anthony Castillo. And for the crown, no other than the CEO of Apollo Smith, Apollo Bucarin Aguilan.
And for any reason that our queen cannot fulfill the duty, the first runner-up will take over.
Sino kaya ang mag-uwi ng 50,000 pesos and a round-trip ticket to Singapore and free stay at Marina Bay, Singapore? Go, partner!
I like that. Our new queen is our Miss Pangasinan Gay Pride 2023 is Ordaneta!
Ordaneta! Ordaneta!
Congratulations! Joanna!
Joanna from Ordaneta!
Meaning to say our first runner-up is Marian, also from Ordaneta.
May we call on our first runner-up and the presenter, Honorable Board Member Philip Theodore Cruz and Caroline Ubaldo Garlit.
Again, our queen will receive 50,000 pesos round-trip ticket to Singapore and a free stay to Marina Bay Sands. Again, our second runner-up, Rich from Mga Taram. First runner-up, Marian from Urdaneta. And our queen, Joanna from Urdaneta. Come over here. Mga Taram, maraming salamat for the love and support. Happy Fiesta, everybody!
At ang mga pakaabangan pa mula sa Apollo Smith Production na kung saan we have our Mr. Asia Pacific International Pangasinan 2023 screening date on February 4, 2023 at Agkapita, Mga Tarem, Pangasinan.
And of course, Mr. of the Universe 2023 coming soon.
And the franchisor no other than Apollo Smith.
Thank you very much once more, Apollo Smith Productions. This has been your host, Jake Diaz.
DJ Darling Live from 106.3. Yes, the best, the good man. Good night and God bless.
But something went wrong. We loved each other, we just couldn't get along. Take a good look at me. I'm in misery, can't you see?
Let's have a photo op, sir.